As soon as you're ready to access the WO6 cloud server, this is the type of environment most likely you're going to find. A WO6 icon that you hit, splash screen pops up, and right after that you're going to be able to enter your username and password. If it is your first time, by default you're going to do administrator and the password should be 1234 if you are a new user. If that's not the case, we are going to provide you the right name and password. But for now, let's stick with administrator 1234, which is the most likely. As soon as you click OK, it's going to tell you where you can go to change. It's just a warning saying that you are using the default password, and we're going to change that password to something more custom. We're going to do that right away. As soon as I'm logged in, I'm going to click here on top for tools and set a new password. So the first thing I'm going to do is to just type the current one, which is 1234, and I can just change the password to whatever I need. Type it twice so it will have a fit. And if you have done successfully, the new password is now in place. So this is how you log in and you change your custom password in WO6. Thanks for watching.